Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set one name on Facebook. Alright, let's begin. So basically, in order to do that, you'll have to connect to a VPN. So you'll have to use any of the VPNs available. And basically, you have to simply connect to Thailand. And after you connect to Thailand, you'll have to simply go on to your account settings. And basically what you'll have to do is simply go on and change your name. So click on profile icon and then go to settings and privacy. Then go to settings and then here you'll have to simply go to account center. And here you have select your Facebook profile and tap on your Facebook profile. And here you have to click on name and then you'll be able to only add the first name and you can remove the last name. But as I said, you'd have to connect to Thailand, otherwise it won't work. So after you connect to Thailand, go here, delete this, and then you'll be able to review changes. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.